honorable judges, respected teachers, and my worthy opponents. This is Smriti Raj, start number 117 from the Gyan Bharati Global School, stand before you not just as a speaker but also a young citizen concerned about the future of humanity. Today, I stand before you to argue a truth that many fear to accept, a truth wrapped in glowing screens and disguised by convenience. The invention of artificial intelligence is not a blessing, it is a bane. We have been told repeatedly that AI is progress and AI is innovation and AI is the future. But allow me to remind this house that not everything that shines is gold and not every invention propels humanity forward. Some inventions weaken our foundation, corrode our capabilities and threaten our collective well-being. And artificial intelligence stands at the forefront of such disruptive creations. A threat disguised as advancement. At first glance, AI appears to be a marvel, a machine that can think, analyze, calculate, and can create. But beneath this facade lies a silent invasion. AI does not simply assist humans, it replaces them. AI does not simply enhance abilities, it erodes them. AI does not merely automate tasks, it automates our very intelligence, turning human effort into redundancy. The invention of artificial intelligence is not a step toward liberation, it is a step toward dependence. And dependence, ladies and gentlemen, is the first chain of slavery, the death of human skills. For centuries, human beings survived, thrived, and evolved because we used our minds. Critical thinking, reasoning, imagination, these were not luxurious, they were our strengths. But with the rise of AI, these strengths are fading. Why think when a machine can think for us? Why create when a machine can generate? Why learn when an algorithm can instantly provide an answer? Artificial intelligence, instead of empowering our minds, is atrophying them. Students no longer struggle to solve problems, they ask AI. Writers no longer dig deep to find meaning, they rely on algorithms. This is not progress, this is an intellectual decay. The biggest tragedy is not that machines are thinking, the biggest tragedy is that humans have stopped thinking. Ladies and gentlemen, I ask you, what do we call a creation that destroys jobs, ruptures relationships, invades privacy, and endangers the survival of humanity? Do we call it a boon? Or do we dare to speak the truth and call it what it is, a bane? Artificial intelligence is not the dawn of a brighter future, it is the twilight of human essence. It promises convenience but demands a price. And the price is our intelligence, our employment, our privacy, and ultimately our existence. In the end, I would like to say that artificial intelligence may be powerful, but the real power lies in humans. Who questions it? Thank you to the honorable judges, respected teachers, and everyone presented here for giving me the opportunity to speak on a topic that decides not just our present